In this video I will show you easy way to download and install Power BI Desktop on your Windows PC. For this, go and open your favorite web browser. Then in address bar type download Power BI Desktop and press enter. Then click on following link from Microsoft official website. If you do not get this, then I will provide you this download link. You can find in the description. Then click on advanced download options button. After that, select your desired language of Microsoft BI Desktop, and after that click on download button. Just wait for some time to download. It is around 900 megabytes file, so it may take some time depending on your internet speed. After that, navigate to the download location. Then double-click on this exe file to begin installation. After that, click on install. If you get the pop-up, then just click on yes button. Click on next. Click on I agree checkbox. Click on next. Leave default installation location and click on next. You can see it will create shortcut on desktop. Just click on install. It may take some time. Now click on Finish and Power BI Desktop will launch automatically. You can also launch Power BI from desktop as well. Also, you can go to search and type Power BI, and there you will get Power BI Desktop. Just click on it to launch. In this way we download and install Power BI Desktop on Windows PC. Hope you like this. Please like, share and subscribe for similar videos. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.